I'd been working for a major fashion company since I graduated from college, moving my way up from administrative assistant to senior design director. I was focused on my career and decided to put having a child on hold until I was ready. When I finally became pregnant, my VP started asking lots of questions such as if I was going to be working from home after the baby was born, or if I'd be taking full maternity leave plus vacation time. Will I be able to take calls from overseas clients at 1 a.m.? I mean, the list of questions went on and on. But I really became suspicious when I learned that my VP was interviewing candidates for a position that didn't show up on any of the usual job boards. And then it became clear. 2 weeks after my beautiful baby boy was born, I got a call saying I was being laid off due to downsizing, but yet they hired a new person to do my job. That's when I took my family to see the auditor firm for a free consultation, who informed me that I've got a case.